Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artworks. I'm Harriet and this is my assistant Samantha, and today I've had a request from Safana to draw an axolotl. Now if you don't know what one is, don't worry because I didn't have a clue either. So I did the obvious thing and googled it, and it is the cutest amphibian. Take a look at this, isn't it sweet? So get yourself a pencil, a pen, an eraser and some plain white paper. And if you like to draw animals, don't forget to download my free PDF of how to draw horse galloping, which you'll find in the link just here. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to start off with the head, which is a nice big oval shape towards the top part of the page. So just draw a rough oval shape. Don't forget, we're going to rub out all these preparatory lines, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And if I don't go too quickly, just hit pause and rewind. There we go. So this is the head. Next, we're going to be drawing the eyes. So just draw a little oval shape up the top here and another one over here. Just going to make this one just slightly higher up, just like that. And a little pupil and another little pupil, just like that. And then a really cute little smiley face. So there we go, just like that. Next, we're going to be adding the gills. So they're these feathery branches that poke out the top of the head. So one line going up like that, one line going up like that, another one out the side. It's like some kind of alien at the moment, doesn't it? Another one here. A very, very cute one, I must say. One here. So the axolotls are actually salamander amphibians. Like I said, I didn't even know what they were, so I had to look it up. Okay, now for the body. It comes down. It's like a cone shape, just coming downwards. So just do it very lightly in pencil and then go over it a little bit heavier. And then it's exactly the same on this side. So a shape slightly like a cone, upside down cone. Just something like that. Okay. It's really taking shape already. Okay, now for the arms. So I'm going to start the arms just by doing a curved line going underneath the chin. You'll see what I mean. So a curved line just like this. If you've got this far, you're doing super, super well. Remember that every time that you draw, you are getting better. Even if you don't notice it, you actually are. Because it's all about practice. It's just like playing the piano, you know, you've just got to practice and every single time you'll get better. Okay, this is coming from somebody who really didn't like practicing the piano when she was younger. Anyway, so now we're going to be drawing the other part of the arm. So just bring it down like so. I'm going to do the same on this side as well. Got to make this little creature symmetrical. So there we go. So a fascinating fact is that they have the ability to regenerate body organs and lost limbs. So if they lose a tail or lose a leg, they can completely regrow it. That's absolutely amazing. Okay, I'm now doing the little hands. There we go, and one on the other side. They're quite pointy, little fingers or digits. So I'm just drawing kind of just really sketchy lines. Just like that, okay? Now for the legs, I'm just going to draw 2 sticks. So one going up like this with 3 prongs, and then the other one going down like that with 3 prongs. Okay, now for the fun part. I'm going to carry on in pen, but please carry on in pencil, and I'm only going on in pen so that you can see it well on camera. So just going to start off with the mouth, just making that a little bit more pronounced. Kind of curves downwards at the side, on either side. Then we're going to draw 2 little dots for the nostrils, because as well as having gills, they also breathe. So 3 nostrils, I mean. Okie dokie. Now for more shape to the kind of nose area. So I'm just drawing round, just like so. And I'm going to go under the chin, like this. I'm going to follow the shape like I did on the other side. Bring it round, just like that. Now for the eyes. So, concentrating hard, I'm just going to do the outer part of the eye and then the inner part of the eye. I'm going to leave a little gap in white, just so it looks like it's reflecting the light, sorry. Okay, and then on the other side, I'm going to do exactly the same. There we go. And then the other eye, reflecting the light on that side too. There we go. Okay, I'm just going to add in a few more markings underneath here. So it's got a couple of double chins just down here. So just a couple of lines just to show it's got depth. Now for the top of the head. So we're just going to go around the oval shape that we did before. All the way around. Did you know that the name axolotl is from the Aztec for water dog? Another fun fact for you. I'm full of these fun facts today. Okie dokie. Now we're going to do the gills. So around these markings that we did before, I'm just going to draw some lines kind of protruding out of there. So there's one. We'll do one on the other side. Go back to this side. And one on the other side. It's really taking shape. You've got to see this out to the end, okay? Because you're going to produce such an amazing drawing. I know it. It's almost as if I'm with you now. I know exactly what you're doing. Okay, let's add some little feathery branches to the ends of these gills. Okay, here we go. Look at these. They look almost like seaweed or something. Okay, they're not straight, they're all wiggly. So what I'm doing, I'm just drawing a series of really wiggly lines here, okay? Just like that. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Lots and lots of these little wiggly lines. The beauty of this bit is that it doesn't matter if you've got a wobbly hand or a shaky hand. They look all wiggly anyway. There we go. Brilliant. Now onto the body. So coming down, we're going to do this arm here. So it comes out like this, comes down, and the digits are actually really quite pointy. So there's one there, another pointy one there, another pointy one there, and one more. It comes back in and then joins up there, just like so. I'm going to draw ever so slightly webbed bits in between there. Okay, we're going to do the same on the other side now. So, need to draw this arm and then coming down to the sort of hand area, I guess. And then coming down, up, round, just like so. Coming in and then joining up with the body here. And again, I'm just going to do ever so slightly webbed bits in between. So we're just going to draw the muscles of the chest area. And then now for the rest of the body. So this comes all the way down, all the way to a slight point, and then all the way up. Just like so. And then on this tummy bit, we're going to be drawing some curved lines, just like this. And on the other side as well. There we go. Wonderful. Okay, now for the legs. So on either side of the stick line, I'm going to be drawing the legs. So there's one with the little foot there. Again, pointy digits. And then the bottom part of the leg. There we go. And then the other one on either side of this little stick leg. So it comes out and round. And then again, I'm just going to draw tiny little web bits in between the digits there. Now for the tail. So the tail comes down like so. There's a line going up. It comes out to one side, so it just comes out to the right-hand side. Okay, so if you haven't gone over it already in pen, go over it now in pen and let's erase all the pencil marks. So there we have our finished axolotl. I do hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, check out this video now. You're going to really enjoy it. So hit subscribe and like, and I really hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.